A major update in a shocking and difficult murder case. All 8 suspects in the Mahogany Jackson killing will now face the death penalty. Now, she's the young mother who was kidnapped, tortured, and murdered. And tonight, her mother tells us she believes all of those suspects deserve whatever they get. Your reporter, Bria Chapman, keeping you on top of this case from the very beginning, joining us now in studio. Bria, you talked to family and prosecutors. What are they saying?
Yeah, that's right, Sarah. So I spoke to Mahogany's mother this afternoon, asking her what her reaction is to all 8 suspects facing the death penalty. And she tells me she agrees with it because they showed her child no mercy. Gail Shearer says these suspects laughed as they tortured her daughter, and she didn't have a judge nor a jury. All she wants now is justice for Mahogany. Prosecutors say the suspects recorded a lot of what happened to Mahogany, including her being beaten and sexually assaulted. Most of those suspects just stood and listened today as their indictments were read in court. Now, all pleaded not guilty, and we asked District Attorney Danny Carr why the state is seeking the death penalty against them.
If there's an aggravating factor that's involved, then those cases are eligible for the death penalty. We typically don't do what they call seek the death penalty. If a case is eligible based on the facts in the law, then we charge them as such, as we did in this case. All these separate cases will have dispositions. So we'll see what happens, whether it's a long stint in jail, being in prison the rest of your life, and or ultimately the death penalty.
Now, in September, charges were upgraded to capital murder for all 8 individuals. Now, they will be back in court for a pre-trial hearing on February 18th. Morgan.